Hello viewers, I am Professor G.S. Bajpai at the National Law University, Delhi. I welcome you to the course on research methodology under MOOCs. Friends, this course is dedicated to the students of law in the field of research methodology. However, other students can also be getting benefited from this course. So what is so special about this course when there are already several courses available online? I'll just briefly tell you that there are so many important questions in the field of law which requires the answer in a very objective manner. Like for instance, why people obey the law? What is the impact of law? How a law amendment will impact the state in terms of manpower, resources, how much crime we have in the society. Friends, you can always answer these questions through your impressions. But here I have to stress that these questions have to be answered objectively. When you try to answer these questions objectively, you are entering to the domain of research methodology. I call upon you to join this course and you will be enriching your knowledge and skills on a subject of research methodology in law which is not so well received so far in the country. Thank you.